Hello, amazing coaches and course creators. If you're just starting out and not particularly awesome at dealing with tech stuff, you're in for a real treat today. I know that for a lot of the non-techie folks that I help out, stepping into the digital arena can be a bit overwhelming, especially when it comes to choosing the tools to build your dream business. The good news is that the platform that we're going to be talking about today, systemeio, makes that process a whole lot easier by combining everything that you really need to build your online business in one simple and really affordable tool. While it's not perfect, no software is, there is a reason that I've built my business on systemeio personally and why I recommend it to all of my tech clients. So let's go ahead and explore what this platform can do for you and address some of its quirks along with its standout features. Today, we're going to be covering systemeio's user-friendliness, automation and marketing tools, pricing, customer support, and community resources. So let's go ahead and get started. So one of the things that I really love about systemeio is that it really does consolidate multiple functions into one integrated system. And this means that you really can manage everything that you need for your online business in one place. You can create sales funnels, send marketing emails, build your website and blog, manage your affiliates, create your online courses and memberships, and automate all of your marketing all under one roof. And by doing that, you're saving a lot of time and a lot of money, which is really great. And the convenience of having these tools all in one place really cannot be overstated for non-techie users. So with features like these automated workflows and marketing tools, you can set up your systems that work while you sleep. And for coaches and course creators, this integration simplifies processes like student enrollment, email campaigns, and content delivery. And every part of the platform's design interface is really built with simplicity in mind. You can drag and drop elements to create your website like you see here, and the same process happens with your sales funnels, your course content, your membership platform, and even your marketing emails, which makes the process really intuitive and hassle-free. So if tech isn't your forte, you can really breathe easy. You're able to set up your digital presence pretty effortlessly on System and focus more on creating your awesome content and less on wrestling with technology. Now, one thing to mention is that if you are super technical and want that high level of customization, this is not going to be the most flexible playground for you. But for those that are just getting started and really more concerned with just smoothly running your show as someone who isn't quite as technical, System is spot on. And I found that even once you are ready for more customization, it scales quite nicely. And there's plenty of 6- and 7-figure business owners that are still running their entire business completely on System. Now let's go ahead and talk about your business growth engine, which is your automation and marketing tools. For your journey from startup to scaled up, systemeio's automation and marketing tools are really like your trusted crew. They're straightforward, effective, and designed to really amplify your reach without needing a manual to understand them. You can engage your audience, build your brand, and grow your business all with just a few clicks. Now, systemeio offers everything you need to build beautiful and really effective sales funnels, which are essential for converting visitors into customers. You can create these various types of funnels within System, and you see an example here of a sales funnel with a squeeze page, a sales page, payment page, thank you page, upsell page, and these are all templates that are built directly into System without you having to go anywhere to find these templates. They're here for you, which is really, really great, which means that you can create these various types of funnels without needing super complex technical know-how. And you see that there's a lot of different ways that you can get these funnels up in just a couple of minutes, and then they just run in the background while you're doing everything else that you need for your business. The platform also allows you to run your email campaigns directly integrated with your funnels. So you can manage your email list, create newsletters, and automate your email marketing strategies pretty effortlessly without needing to worry about connecting all of the different pieces the way you would if you had a website and a course platform and a funnel builder and an email marketing tool all separately. System, they're all in one place, so you don't need to worry about having to integrate them. It's all done for you, which is really, really great. I will say that the design of systemeio is really more functional than flashy, but as far as I'm concerned, it's a really fair trade-off for its remarkable ease of use. I found that the automation capabilities on their mid-tier plans are really more than enough for the average coach or course creator, and you're looking at capabilities that really rival those of platforms that cost 10 times as much. So System.io really does hit the sweet spot with everything that you really need in order to get your business growing. Now let's talk about System.io pricing. When finances are a consideration, which they usually are when you're just starting out as a coach or a course creator, System.io shines really, really brightly. Its forever free plan isn't just a teaser, it's a genuinely useful tool with substantial capabilities at absolutely no cost, which is really incredible. You can launch your full website, build your email list to 2,000 people, and create and sell your first courses at absolutely no cost whatsoever, which is really, really unique in the coaching tools marketplace. And then as your needs expand, their paid plans are really some of the most economical in the market. The average coach should really be able to get exactly what they need at either the $27 per month or $47 per month plan, which again, we're talking about a tenth of the cost of competing software. Their highest tier plan is only $97 per month and is enough to really scale your business to the moon without paying thousands of dollars for software each month. So while the free plan has some boundaries, namely down here, you'll see that the automations, workflows, and tags area right there. When you want to start automating things, you're going to likely want to upgrade to one of their paid plans. But that free plan can absolutely start making you money before you ever pay System a dime. And when you are ready to upgrade, the transition to a paid plan is both affordable and super easy, ensuring that you get the premium features you need without breaking the bank. All right, now let's talk about System customer support. In your digital journey, having responsive support is really crucial. And I found that System.io's support team is definitely there when you need them. They used to have a 24-hour turnaround time for support questions, which in my opinion was pretty slow, but they've recently hired a bunch, and that's brought their support times down a lot to about 2 hours or so, and that's with 24/7 support. It's still support via email only, so there might be moments when you wished you had a quicker response or you wished you could hop on a call or a chat with someone. But given the price point of System.io, the overall support experience is really great, and the lack of chat is a minor hiccup in an otherwise really smooth support experience. They've also got this support site where you can get help besides just contacting. They have a really comprehensive help section in here with answers to pretty much any question that you might need help with. And then they also have this cool thing over here, which is basically a mini course that's all on mastering System.io features. So it really goes through a lot of the main functionality of System and walks you through setting these things up step by step your first time, which is really, really useful. And then if you need additional support, that's when you would go and you would reach out to their customer support through this form here. So overall, a really good experience and something that I think is even getting better as time goes on, which is great. And finally, let's just touch real quick on the System community and resources that are available. System.io's community and learning resources are really steadily growing. They might not match the scale of some larger platforms, but there's still plenty of really valuable insights and connections to be made. So here you can see System.io's official creators group, and you'll see that there are 107,000 people in this group. And it's really active and a really great group for getting ideas and seeing what other people are building on System, as well as asking for advice from some of the top creators on System and some of the people who really are taking System to the next level in terms of what they're offering. So this is a really fantastic resource. Now, this is still an area of potential growth for System.io, but even now it does offer you enough to get you started and really keep you moving forward in terms of community and resources available. So in the end, System.io emerges as a really standout choice, especially for those just starting their coaching or course creating journey and are super not technical. Its user-friendly in nature, effective tools, and budget-friendly pricing make it a robust platform that really supports your growth. So while it does have a few areas that are still evolving, its strengths far outweigh its limitations. In my opinion, System.io is more than just a platform. It's really a partner in your journey to success. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below because I'd love to hear from you. And keep inspiring, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, here's to your tech success.